back to my video. It's Jamie here. Now I'm going to be joined with Mahim.
Hi.
And Daniel.
Hi.
And we're going to do inside the box challenge. So we're if you don't know what that is, can I have a volunteer? So Mahim, just pick someone random, something random that I'm not going to look at. Okay, you put it in, and I need to guess what it is. This is pretty obvious. It's a phone. And yep, I got it right. So yeah, that's basically it. And me, Daniel and him, we're going to take turns. So yeah, enjoy the video. I'm just going to adjust this camera so it's a bit better. So guys, we've got the camera at a better angle of the box. So, Mahim, would you like to choose your thing first? And then you're going to do it for me, and then we're just going to keep on taking turns. So I'm going to close my eyes.
Close your eyes. Ready?
Okay.
Look at it. Put your hand in.
Okay.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your
I
eyes.
can't see it.
Okay. Let's see if you can find out.
Where is it?
It's right there, Jamie.
Oh.
Just it. What is it?
I know what it is. I can feel it.
What is
It's
it?
a camel.
You got it right.
Yes, that was a good one. High five. Okay.
So now we're done. Whose goes the next?
So it's Daniel's turn to pick something for him to try and find in the box. For him, go over there in the naughty step. That's it. Okay. So yeah, let's do this. Ooh, that's a good one. Okay, Mahim, we're ready. Don't look.
Can you put my hand in the hole, please?
Go on, okay. Oh, geez, that gives it away.
Is that bell near the...
That gives it away.
Is that bell thing near the phone?
Yeah. That gives it away, Daniel. That was easy. Right now, it's Mahim for Daniel.
No, it's you for Daniel.
Is it? Okay.
Yep.
And then you for Daniel.
Me for you.
But what about me? What about you for Daniel?
No, I'm doing for you. You doing for Daniel now.
Okay. So guys, it's now my go to choose something for Daniel. So yeah.
Ooh, choose one good. Okay, let's see what he's going to choose. Ooh. That's a good one.
You might get it though.
We're ready now.
Daniel, close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Close your eyes. We put your hand in it. We put your hand in it.
We put your hand in the hole.
Jamie,
Now face the camera. And now you can open your eyes.
I'm not sure. What do you think it is?
Remove it, cute. Yeah. I said start off easy.
Yeah.
Okay, so Daniel got that one. Now it's someone for me, isn't it?
Me for you, because that's how we started it.
Okay, yeah. But what about someone? What about you for Daniel?
No, you're doing for Daniel.
Okay, so guys, we'll be back when it's my turn to try and look in, or try and find the box. Yeah, well, find the thing in the box.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't know. So okay guys, so I guess I'm closing my eyes now so him can choose something. No, there is lots of stuff over there, but don't just choose something.
Yeah, I know. What should I choose? So I've chosen my item. Ready? Wait, close your eyes, close your eyes. In the box. Now look at the camera.
Okay.
And right, go right.
No, don't tell me.
I'm saying where it is.
Mahim, do you like your Egyptian stuff?
No, it's not Egyptian.
Okay.
What is it?
I know what it is. It's the thing for the weight.
Yeah. You got it right.
So wait, let me just get a weight. So here's a weight here, and here, this is the thing here that keeps the weight on. So yeah, that was a good one by Mahim.
Yeah.
But I got it.
So now So now Daniel has to choose for me. So I'm going to go over there.
It's a good one, Daniel. Right, with him, you can.
By the nose, I think I know what it is. Maybe. Where is it?
Oh,
Oh yeah, I got it in.
face camera.
This is a hard one. I don't know what it
Don't
is.
move the box.
I don't know what it is.
Should we give you a clue?
Yes.
Begins with C.
Car.
It's a weird looking car again.
This is hard. I don't know, I give up.
Do you? Okay, it's a crystal. So that's 1 point to Daniel. Yay! Okay. Should we just say 1 point to him, but whoever has the most points at the end?
Why is it 1 point to me?
Loses. Like whoever has the most points at the end loses. Yeah.
Yeah. So it's
Okay.
1-0.
Yeah. So that's you losing. Okay. So now it's my turn to choose.
No.
For me.
Yes. Now
For
Jamie.
Daniel.
So now Jamie chooses for Daniel.
Okay. Off I go. I just need to find Daniel something that he may not know what is.
Ow.
Zoom in.
Jamie, come here. Okay, Daniel, we're ready. Wait, do you see it? Good.
Swear.
Do you swear good? Put your hand in the hole.
Daniel, face the camera.
This way. It's a click to the bed.
You okay?
Okay.
Don't look inside. Oh my gosh, Daniel, there it is.
There it is. Cool. What do you think it is?
Can I catch him out? 5, no 10.
Halloween fans.
Oh my gosh, he got them. So guys, Daniel got that on to the next round where
Jamie picks for me.
I picked from him. Let's do this. Wait, I've just picked for Daniel though.
Oh no, Daniel picks for me.
Okay, let's do this. Oh.
Let's do this. Oh yeah.
And then I pick for him.
believe
No,
that's all,
then him picks for then Daniel picks for me.
No,
Then
I pick for you, Jamie.
and then what about Daniel picking for me?
No, Daniel didn't pick for you. You pick for Daniel.
But doesn't he need to pick me as well?
No,
Why?
he picked for me.
Oh, you get more goes for finding it then.
I don't know. It's the same amount.
Is it?
Yeah. Ready?
Show it to the camera. Okay, go on.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
I'm ready. Ow! My eyes. Who is this?
Please, camera. Squeeze it.
Isn't it those stuff in like a? I can't explain it. You know straws.
Yeah.
You know.
You
the
can
packet?
open your eyes if you want to face
You
the
know
camera.
the packet.
Yeah.
It's in. It's that packet, but there's like
Sugar.
yeah, some of the,
Like sherbet.
Salt.
Sherbet.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, you got it.
Salt.
You got it. Yeah, you got it.
Is it salt?
Don't know what it is inside it.
It's sherbet, Daniel.
No.
It's salt.
I did it.
It's salted there, you know.
I
Okay.
did it.
All right. I need to choose something for you,
No, I picked something for you.
and then I pick something for you.
No, then you pick something for Daniel.
Okay. Right. Let's see you in the next round. Wait. You pick for me. Okay. So guys, it's him picking for me now, as you probably heard. So yeah, I really can't wait.
Get to your place, Jamie. My God. Danny just fell off. Danny just fell off the sofa. Okay, let me pick something.
Here, if the box is like crooked, can you like rearrange it? Like if it's kind of gone out.
Yes. Jamie, what if I pick the cactus?
Then I'll be pranked. But I know you won't.
No, I'm not gonna do that. Oh wait, there's a hi. Guardian.
Daddy.
So I'm going to be choosing this.
Don't take too long.
I got it, Jamie.
Where's the hole?
Okay, I'm gonna look for him.
Find it. It's not there. It's not on the other side either.
Oh,
Yeah, there
oh
it is.
no. He's small.
I know. That's the reason I chose it.
It's a badge.
Look at his face.
It's a badge, isn't it?
Well, you said, okay, harder. Oh, what type of badge is it?
Blue piece of. Oh come on, come on, it's a badge.
Okay, find it. What's the thing?
What?
What's the item?
A badge.
Okay. Bring it out now.
Oh, it's an England one. Yeah,
It's
the badge is
England.
fine because it is actually the thing.
Yeah.
So guys, when him gave me this, you've already seen it. Yeah, okay. Right, so now Daniel is picking for Mahim. So yeah, let's see if Mahim gets fooled or not. And score right now is 1 for Mahim, which is worse than 0. So and me and Daniel have both got our we've got 0, so it's better. So yeah, enjoy. This is all on camera, Mahim.
Oh no. You done yet? You done? Are you done, Daniel?
No.
Oh, come on.
I'm going to skip ahead to the video until Daniel, he's found something. Daniel shoots his camera. I'm not sure what it is. I know. Okay, put it in. I know what it is.
You done?
Yep. Make sure Mahim doesn't look. Cheats.
Ow.
I know he cheats sometimes.
What the hell? Don't do it. Hey.
Press camera! Press camera!
Plug it in.
What?
Drop, please
I'll
help me.
pick it up. Okay. Don't let it roll off.
What is this thing?
Oh my! Don't bring the box.
I don't know what it is.
Do you give up? Okay, a clue first. It's something that holds something.
5,
4,
Start from 10.
10, 9,
8,
8.
7,
Does it hold something like a ball in it?
5,
Something that holds a ball.
No.
3,
3, 2, 1. Take it out. Take it out. Take it out. You cheat. See what I mean?
It's a
Candle holder.
I don't know what that was.
handle goes in.
I don't know.
Right, so it's
See, there's a big clue here because there's actually
wax, but him can see that. Okay,
I never saw.
Daniel, take that iPod off. take that iPod off.
I
Can
choose
you?
for Jamie now.
Yes.
I haven't chose for Jamie yet. But
Yeah, but no, you can't. You don't have to. I have decided which one to pick. This one. It's going to be really hard. So let me just put this item away.
we have mentioned that it's the second to last round.
Also, this is the second to last round, as Jamie has said. Okay. Jamie, I'm going to be putting the iPod in. For, just basically, there's going to be something on top of the iPod. Never mind, I'm not going to do that. Okay, there you go. We're ready.
I'll put my hand in it.
Look at the camera.
Okay, hi camera. I'm just going to do some good filming, okay? Because it's my turn. Ooh. What sneaky place do we put it for him?
He just went past it.
What?
Yeah, you just.
This? Oh, I know what this is.
Oh, I said.
Oh, this is a star.
Is it something?
No, it's not actually. No, it's not.
Okay, it counts.
It's a snowflake.
It counts.
No.
Okay.
So you just this doesn't make it count.
Oh, damn. Daniel might actually win a video on my channel.
Oh, what?
Oh, Jamie, you lost the point.
Well, I won a point.
So it's now 2-1 nil.
Daniel, and now I have to pick something for
Jamie.
Jamie. But
What can you pick for me? Yeah, never mind. You can put his name.
Yes, I could be still in this.
There you go. Yeah, you can't.
No.
Daniel.
Oh yeah, I can't.
I've won, but
Daniel's won.
So I'm going to pick for Jamie now, and I'm going to try and make it go really hard, so that so him doesn't lose.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Now Jamie's looking at, not looking at it, but feeling it.
looking at it.
I know. What is it then?
I know.
No, you turn this way. I don't trust
No, I
you.
know. You have to.
You can't look that way though. You can't look that way,
Like a
Jamie.
controller.
Like that. No, Jamie.
I won! Yeah!
Okay, he's got face the door.
We
Face
haven't
the door.
got much time in
Face
it.
the door. We got 10 seconds left for Jamie. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Jamie!
Yeah,
I
I'm out
can't.
of time. I'm out of time.
Yes, okay.
Oh, that's it.
I'm counting that as a loss for Jamie. So that means I didn't lose. Me and Jamie lost. Okay.
Daniel won a video on my channel.
So this was actually if you didn't see. What the hell, Jamie? That's his anger issue.
I'm not. I don't really have.
I won!
Yeah, so Daniel.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Stay cool. Peace out. You're the odd one out.